Good afternoon, Colin here with TechOut, and today I'm going to be telling you why I'm not buying a Samsung Foldable right now, right when they came out, and why you should wait as well. So first things first is hop over here to the Shop Samsung app, and first things first, well, Samsung does have good trade-in deals right now if you have a device to trade in, such as getting the Flip 4 for $99 if you're trading in something like a Flip 3 or a S22 Ultra, or a Z Fold 4 for as low as $799 if you're trading in an S22 Ultra or a Z Fold 3, something like that, a little bit newer. You can get these devices pretty cheap, but that is if you're trading in last year's phone, and last year's phone is very similar to this year's phone. The only thing you're really getting is a spec upgrade, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Everything else is basically the same. They did make some other small improvements, but again, you're not going to have too much of a difference between last year and this year's phone. So if you hold onto your device a little bit longer, you may be able to get this device cheaper without a trade-in, and then you can just sell your other device and recoup some of that money. And the way you can do that is wait a couple months. These devices go on sale very often, 3 to 4 months after they come out. I got a Fold 3 right before Christmas. Or right after Christmas actually. They were on sale before Christmas as well though, into January. I got it for $999 at Best Buy, unlocked. I've seen them in the past couple months for as low as $799 for certain carriers, so you can definitely get them cheaper. So I'm going to hold on to my S22 Ultra, mainly because I love the S22 Ultra. It's one of my favorite devices. I used to be iPhone everything. That's all I would use. Anytime I would switch to an Android device, I would switch right back to the iPhone. But ever since I got this and the S Pen and everything, I'm a huge S Pen fan, which is one of the other reasons I'm keeping this device. The Fold 4 again does have the S Pen, but the thing I dislike about that, and it's a huge dislike for me, is the fact that the S Pen doesn't go in the phone. You have to have a case for the S Pen if you want to carry it around, so you're tied to that specific case. And when I had the Fold 3, I just couldn't find any cases I really liked for it. So again, since I don't really want to get rid of this phone, I don't want to trade it in, I'm going to wait until probably December, January, around then, or maybe sooner if it goes on sale, to pick up something like a Flip 4 or a Fold 4 when they go on those deep discounts at places like Best Buy and sometimes even Samsung. They'll start up the good trade-in deals again, and you can get one for relatively cheap. So if you don't need to upgrade right now, if you still have an S22 Ultra, or if you have a Fold 3 or a Flip 3, and you have no reason to, jump on the newest device right away, like I said, go ahead and wait, and you can usually get them on a deep discount. So that's why I'm not upgrading right now, and that's why I think, unless you're some kind of enthusiast, that has to have the latest and greatest, you have a reason like that, I would go ahead and wait and see what kind of discounts you can get here in the next couple months. But I am going to be trying out the OnePlus 10T. I do have that on order, so hopefully that will be here probably the first week of September, hopefully, for their little pre-order early access kind of thing they had. So that's going to be the next device I'll be checking out on the channel, and then maybe the iPhone 14 when that comes out as well in September. But so far for Samsung, I'm holding on to my S22 Ultra. This has been Colin with TechOut. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.